And dahil napansin ko na sobrang laki na talaga ng aking tiyan, napagdesisyonan ko sa sarili ko na kailangan ko na maging healthy.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now
Nakuha ko nga ba ang pangarap ko magkaroon ng abs sa loob ng 30 days? Tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking challenge. Advice sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko nag-gym, ito daw ang pinaka-importante bago mag-umpisa, ang magkaroon ng personal trainer.
Tara, why do we need a personal trainer?
Because working out is much more complex than just moving your muscles. It's about also empowering yourself and helping your brain connect with your muscles. So to have a personal trainer is to have someone who's directing you in the right
Oh,
way
okay.
so that you can effectively have a good muscle-mind connection, work out the muscles that you need to work out, work on your stability and other fitness components that you might not even know about if you don't have a personal trainer. So it's a good way to start and have a good base at the gym, and then it's good to also learn from the personal trainer so that even when you're traveling, even when you're abroad, you can still work out and know what works for you.
Okay. Thank you, Yara.
Sobrang excited talaga ako na umpisahan ng aking unang araw sa pag-gym.
Pasok na sa gym.
So weight check muna tayo. Importante alam natin ang body mass index para alam natin kung overweight ba tayo or underweight. Sa edad ko na 33 na may height na 5'4", dapat 55 kilograms to 65 kilograms ako. So malapit na ako mag-overweight.
Yung sabi ng trainer natin, dapat meron din tayong physical activity para mas lalo tayong pumayat. Yung endurance ba? Kahit anong any kind of sports.
Maganda ang tennis na exercise kasi buong katawan ng pinagamit. Magpapawisan ka talaga.
So, dapat may treadmill tayo, diba? Para mabawasan tayo ng timbang. Yung sabi sa akin ng coach.
Isa to sa mga exercise na hirap ako pero kakayanin ko na. Ang exercise na ito ay isa sa mga nakakapag-burn ng belly fat. Ito ang pinakagusto kong exercise dahil pinagpapawisan talaga ako ng sobra. So after nga natin mag-gym ay magja-jacuzzi tayo. Makakatulong to para ma-relax ang ating mga muscle. At pangalawang advice sa amin, kumain daw kami ng masustansyang pagkain.
So guys, ito na aking mga nabili para sa aking food ngayong week. Yan. Meron tayong beef, meron tayong prutas and carrots. Meron carrots para mag-juice. Saging din tayo. Grapes, mushroom.
Para sa lunch ko, gumawa ako ng juice at bumili ako ng salad. Hindi talaga ako sanay na walang kanin sa lunch pero dahil sa ating challenge, ipupush natin ang ating sarili. Para naman sa dinner ko, ay nagluto ako ng steak. Nakakatulong ito para sa pag-build ng ating muscle.
Good morning. Second day na natin dito sa gym. Yan, mag-ano ulit tayo. Mag-tennis.
Sabi sa akin ng coach ko, gawin ko lang daw to araw-araw hanggang sa maging hobby ko to.
Second day na natin sa pagte-treadmill. Yung sana ako meron tayo.
take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so work to make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
One more jump. Nice. Last jump. Climb back. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Grabe, alam kong tama pa ito ginagawa namin. Grabe. Sobrang pagod.
Watching your balance. I'm here. Down. Nice. Back up. Very good.
I'm so gone. No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop. I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I'm in the hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong. You will never see me crack.
Dito ko naisip na hindi pala biro ang mga pinagdadaanan ng mga nag-workout. Kailangan mo ng matinding disiplina sa sarili.
Aftermath when I attack.
You ready? Yes. Let's go.
Thank you.
I love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, always need it.
So ito na nga ang result ng aking second week dito sa gym ko. Tingnan natin kung karoon ba ako ng abs. Meron ba? Yan, ano ko lang yung kahit paano nagkakaroon siya ng tsura.
Dapat nag-exercise din tayo para sa upper body natin para maganda ang kalabasan ng ating katawan. Sumasali din ako sa mga group exercise tulad ng Pilates at Zumba.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stick to. This life ahead of you ain't easy. It was meant to be rough, but that's what makes it worth it.
So ito na nga ang ating day 30 result natin at kayo na lang ang bahala humusga kung may pagbabago man o wala. Pero para sa akin, meron man pagbabago o wala, masaya ako at naumpisahan ko to.